Hello, I'm going to show you how to use coupons in Cnfans. So first of all, you need to know where to find Cnfans coupons. You can obtain coupons from several sources. Cnfans website dashboard, look under the promotions or coupons tab in your account. Cnfans spreadsheet communities like Discord or Telegram. These dashboards list current coupon codes with expiration dates and eligible categories. Official social media and Discord Reddit, flash deals and coupon sharing events are common. Email newsletters, subscribe to get exclusive or early access coupons. Then you need showing and accessing your coupons. Log into your Cnfans account, go to My Account, then go to Wallet or Coupons tab to view your active coupons. New or returning events may auto-credit coupons to your account. Then you need to apply coupons at checkout. Add items to your cart as usual. On the cart or checkout summary page, find the field labeled coupon code, promo code, or discount code. Enter your coupon exactly. Click apply. Your total will adjust to include the discount, and should the discount is reflected before proceeding to payment, and confirm your order. And that's it.